students, instead of me writing an email, I'm just gonna want you to watch this video of what you should be doing this week in chapter 9. I sent you another video at the very beginning of the week, and here's another one to remind you of what you should be working on this week. If you have started on chapter 9, that's great. If not, this is what I strongly suggest you do. Go to the course shell in Moodle and click on week 9 and take some time to read my summary of that chapter. Start with here, as you can see on the screen, section 9.1. Go through the reading, and then after that, you're going to see some videos and how you construct those confidence intervals using StatCrunch. I did some examples where I showed you how to do the work by hand and also how to do the work using StatCrunch. You will be required to use StatCrunch throughout, so it's very important that you learn how to use the software to compute the calculations in this chapter. And then after you finish section 9.1, you just go to section 9.2. You can see, look, right here. I'm also explaining this chapter and how to do the work by hand, and then later how to use StatCrunch again. You can see this is a video and how to use StatCrunch, and then after that you're going to see some links to summary of section 9.1, summary of section 9.2. And once you do that, go back to Pearson and do your homework for section 9.1, the reading assignment for section 9.1 along with the homework, and the reading assignment for section 9.2, and then take the quiz. Okay, and then after you complete all of this and take chapter 9 quiz, I'd like you to come back to the course shell in Moodle and do the chapter 9 forum. Let me show you. Here is the forum of chapter 9. If you click on it, you're gonna see 2 questions. Select only one question. This is question 1. You need to construct a 95%. Just answer A, B, C, or select the question 2 and answer A, B, and C. Now about the test. Your test covers section 7.1, 7.2, 8.1, 9.1, 9.2. I provided a couple study guides for the test. Let me show you where they are. Here's the first study guide. It's test 2 study guide video. Watch the 2 videos below, for which I worked out the solution for all the questions, the study guide for test 2. In the first video, I worked out questions from chapter 7 and section 8.1. And then in video 2, guys, I worked out questions from chapter 9. And I provided another study guide on Pearson website for students to have a feel of what the actual test will be like. So let me show you what the study guide is on Pearson website. If you click, when you go to Pearson, if you click on Assignments tab in the left menu bar, you're going to see the first thing that you're going to see there is Test 2 Study Guide. It's not for grade. If you click on it, let's start. And here you go. You can see some questions. It's a practice test. It's not for grade. Don't worry. I will not use the grade, to determine your final grade from this one. It will be omitted, but it's a good practice. It has 34 questions. And please remember, guys, when you do your work online on the interactive reading, or you do your homework and you ask for help me solve this or view an example, many of the examples will show you how to work out a solution by doing the work by hand, you have to remember that in this course we are using StatCrunch. So it's very, very important to put heavy emphasis on how the author works out solutions uses StatCrunch, and look what I supplement the course with my videos and how to use StatCrunch. What I will do, if my time permits, guys, as well, I might prepare another video where I work out the solutions in this study guide that I'm making available on the Pearson website. You can take the test, I believe, starting Sunday of this week and throughout Monday of next week. It's going to be online the same way you took test 1. So make sure you complete this chapter 9, before you're ready for the test. So then you will be ready for the test, and let me know of any questions. That's my announcement for the middle of the week.